increased production, effortless application, and unmatched efficiency, introducing the Dual Air Fusion IQ, the most efficient heat press in the world. With 2 independent printing stations, the Dual Air Fusion IQ maximizes efficiency by allowing one operator to utilize 2 heat presses at once. The patented shuttle design allows for one station to be pressing, while the other can simultaneously be used for loading the garment and placing your heat transfers. This substantially increases productivity and subsequently reduces labor costs for any apparel decorator. The press can also be set to automatically shuttle after pressing, further increasing efficiency. The Dual Air Fusion IQ is equipped with the Hotronix IQ control system, a touch interface that is both powerful and simple to operate. The 3 crucial variables of heat printing, time, temperature, and pressure, are all digitally controlled and monitored in real time. Simply tap the number to change the setting. Macro adjustments can be made with the green bar at the top of the display, and precision adjustments can be made with the arrows to the right of the numbers. The Hotronix IQ control system can also connect to a local Wi-Fi network, enabling access to the Hotronix Cloud, a free online software that tracks performance metrics such as impressions per hour, active versus idle time, and much more. User accounts can be added to the press to measure individual analytics for each operator. The Hotronix IQ control system allows for limitless programmable presets, eliminating the need to print or memorize application instructions. The position-based controls allow for independent time and pressure settings for each station. You can even schedule the press to automatically turn on and shut down. Powered by compressed air, the Dual Air Fusion IQ automatically senses and adjusts pressure to the set PSI. The operation is effortless and safe, with 2 buttons to close and an automatic open at the end of the designated time. Shuttling of the heating element can be controlled at any time with the foot pedal. With the heating element shuttled away from the platen, the operator has a safe heat-free workspace for garment loading and transfer placement. The Hotronix cast-in 16 by 20-inch heating element is engineered for even consistent heat and reliable application, whether you're printing 1 shirt or 100. With the 3/4-inch thick heat platen, the heating element stays at a consistent temperature, regardless of how fast you're running production. The cantilever design enables full threadability for garments, speeding up loading and avoiding obstructions that can cause uneven pressure. The Dual Air Fusion IQ can be turned into a multi-function machine with the Hotronix Quick Change Platen system, allowing the operator to easily swap the standard platen for any optional quick change platen without the need of any tools, giving you the ability to decorate youth apparel. Inside tags, pant legs and arm sleeves, and more with ease. Never worry about placement again with the all-new ProPlace IQ, an advanced projection placement system integrated into the Hotronix Cloud. You can upload your artwork and set the placement wirelessly from any device, or simply use the HDMI inputs on the back of the ProPlace IQ to connect to your shop's existing management software. ProPlace IQ projects your artwork directly onto the lower platen, maximizing placement efficiency, while eliminating misprints with alignment or positioning errors. All Hotronix machines are proudly manufactured in the United States of America, and are coupled with an industry-leading warranty, including lifetime coverage on the heating element. Maximize your shop's production, eliminate misprints, and reach the pinnacle of decorating efficiency with the Hotronix Dual Air Fusion IQ.